تقریر کے لیے سید حذیفہ زاہد آئیں اور تقریر پیش کریں. 5 منٹ میں اپنی تقریر ختم کریں.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Respected chairperson, honorable guests, teachers and audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, on this prestigious occasion to demonstrate Islam and its teachings, I see a sincere need and wants to share some very important thoughts in front of you. There has been multiple tragedies that keeps happening in this world, but the biggest tragedy of the present age is the spreading of misconception about Islam. This is leading to development of fear about Islam, and people are running away from Islam. Why is this situation? What is the cause? Cause is our internal disputes and differences, our internal conflicts and fightings, our internal arguments. As a result, we are losing our power. In fact, we are lost. We are 2 billion Muslims in the world, and we have everything except unity. We can't come on one platform. We are nowhere. While Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala warns us from this, read the Quran, verse number 46 of Surah Al-Anfal. وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ وَلَا تَنَازَعُوا فَتَفْشَلُوا وَتَذْهَبَ رِيحُكُمْ وَاصْبِرُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ مَعَ الصَّابِرِينَ. Follow Allah and His Rasul and do not dispute with each other, else you will lose your courage and power. Today, we don't like to look at faces of each other. We don't like to talk with each other. Everyone considers himself as correct while all others as wrong. These internal conflicts are being used as a tool by the anti-Islamic forces. They are making Muslims fighting with each other. So it's time to wake up, brothers. It's time to leave aside all our internal differences, cherish our disputes, and come forward as one ummah. Yes, brothers, we are one ummah. Our Allah is one, our Quran is one, and our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam is one. We all are the generation of one father Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and one mother Hazrat Hawa alayhi salam. So how we can live with differences? Anti-Islamic forces has been coming out with more issues, more strategies and more weapons. They have comprehensive plans and latest technologies. But do not afraid, do not sad, and do not get panicked. Instead, have full faith in Allah the Almighty. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَلَا تَخَافُوا وَلَا تَحْزَنُوا وَأَنْتُمُ الْأَعْلَوْنَ إِن كُنْتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. Don't be afraid and sad. You will be the prevail if you are a true mu'min. Brothers, need of time is to leave aside all our internal differences, cherish our disputes, and come forward as one ummah, one platform, and strive hard to protect Islam and its values. Brothers, we need to be vigilant. There has been fake lyrics in our societies that are agents of anti-Islamic forces. They issue fatwas that create disputes within we Muslims. Same happened in Europe. That was ruled by the Muslims about 600 years. But such lyrics were introduced there that created disputes within that Muslims. As a result, communism spread out, resulting in total failure. Hence, let's take a pledge today that we will work hard, save Islam, and be the true followers of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Insha'Allah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
ماشاء اللہ. عربی